Welcome to Foshan Autom Packaging Machinery Company. We are the manufacturer with a professional R&D team, and today I'm going to introduce you this small semi-automatic without weighing function packaging machine. This machine model number is ATM320B Multi-functional, economical, and small floor space. This machine can make different bag types: pillow bag, 3-4 size sealing bag, gusset bag, hole punching bag, continuous bags. It can be equipped with the date coding device, nitrogen gas filling device, easy tear device, punching device, gusset device, continuous bag device. The frame of this machine is made of stainless steel, which is durable and clean. All the contact foot part of this machine is 304 stainless steel, which meets the hygienic standard of full QS and the medicine GMP. This machine is widely used in food, snacks, medicine, hardware, such as noodles, vegetables, salad, chips, dried fruits, dried meat, dried fish, alcohol, cotton, toy, screw, etc. It is the bucket train conveyor, optional food grade 304 stainless steel, and the plastic for different products. Using welding conversion principle technology, simple area range. It is suitable for pack a variety of different products. We can use laminated film on this machine. Look at this part. It is color mark sensor. It can read color mark on the raw film automatically to make the length. Look at this part. It is ribbon date printer. It can print production date, expiry date, lot numbers. It is working synchronized with the vertical packaging machine. It is spec former, made of 304 stainless steel. So packaging film will be pulled into this spec former by friction. The packaging is simple and beautiful with a humanized design. Different bag making equipment can be replaced according to different bag widths. One machine can pack bags of various widths. Here's the vertical sealing device, the end sealing device with the cutter. Color mark accurate precision system avoids sticking blades and wasting materials. Here is a 7-inch smart operation panel. You can set and change the weight of the packaging material and the length of the bag. The touch screen can store the packaging process, parameters of many different products. Also, it can be used at any time when changing products. Mechanical float display system can help troubleshooting and reduce the manual operation. Look at this part. It is independent temperature control system. The left one for the middle sealing device. Another one for the horizontal sealing device. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Here are the buttons for the vertical packaging machine. The emergency stop one, the main power button. Let's check the electrical box of the main packing machine. All component parts are welding brand parts, which is durable and guaranteed. Let me show you how this machine works. in our packaging machine, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching our video today. See you!